Are you slowly destroying your hands every time you crack your knuckles? That loud pop sounds scary. Some people say it causes arthritis. Others say your fingers will get big and swollen. Here's what's really happening. Inside your joints, there's a thick liquid that helps them move smoothly. When you bend or pull your fingers, tiny gas bubbles inside that liquid suddenly burst. That popping sound, it's just bubbles collapsing, not your bones cracking. So does that mean it's completely harmless? I'll explain. But wait, if you don't want this happen to you, hit like, tap subscribe, and share this fast. Studies show knuckle cracking doesn't cause arthritis, but cracking too hard or too often can irritate the joints and may weaken your grip over time. But wait, how many times did I say knuckles?